So before we start off, let me hit you with a few facts. During the first quarter of 2020, global debt hit a record high of around $258 trillion. Also, according to the IIF, which is the Institute for International Finance, during the same quarter, debt to GDP ratio jumped around 10%, reaching 331%, which is another record high. And based on this, we can clearly assume that borrowing still remains a huge part in our economy. And obviously, this raises certain questions like, why is credit important? Why do you need to have a good credit history? What is credit? And why do you need credit? As well as questions like, how can you get access to credit when you need it? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Shrispia. My name is Shruti Sarvan, and on this channel we'll be talking about personal finance, investing and other related things. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I drop a video, which is basically every Wednesday. And without further ado, let's move on to why is credit so important. So before we start off, we need to answer one important question. What is credit? Credit basically is a factor that determines the financial power you hold to access funds. And having a good credit is extremely important because this basically makes sure that you get access to these loans when you need them. It could be for either buying a car, buying a house, or whatsoever. So now that we know what credit is, let's move on to the next important question. Why is credit important? So as a consumer or a business owner, when you borrow money, this increases your purchasing power and it also leads to efficient transactions, which means that this will lead to growth in your country's economy. In addition to that, credit helps business owners gain access to funds which they can invest in their company and produce new goods and services which will not only be beneficial to their businesses but also the economy as a whole. And it's also extremely important to remember that credit can be used as a tool to build your wealth and become better in life. And you can find one of my previous videos linked up here about how credit cards can be extremely useful and also help you build your wealth. And this leads to the next question. Why do you need credit? And I've got two reasons for this. And the first reason is that credit can be used as a tool to build your wealth. And an example of this is the BRRRR or the BRRR strategy in real estate, where you use credit to buy an undervalued property and refurbish it and then rent it out and revalue this property. And by revaluing this property, I mean getting it refinanced by going to another bank or financial institution. And the second reason is that credit can improve the quality of your life. And one good example of this are student loans. Now it's important to remember that you pursue a degree that will actually bring you returns on this investment, and it's important that you don't choose a degree that will not have any job prospects and you'll just end up with a huge amount of debt and no money to pay it off. That is not exactly a good idea, you guys. The next way credit can help you improve the quality of your life is by increasing your purchasing power. And be warned, guys, and I mean that you should use this purchasing power of yours to afford more tools that can further build your wealth. And it's extremely important that you make the right decisions and not end up in a ton of bad debt. And this brings us to the next question. Why is having a good credit score important? It's important to know that a credit score determines your ability to gain access to funds in the future. And having a good credit score obviously means that you will have more access to funds as opposed to having a bad credit score. The second reason is that having a good credit score makes you look credible to financial institutions. Having a good credit score basically shows that you are able and willing to pay back loans on time and regularly. And this builds a relationship based on trust between you and the financial institutions. And building trust with not just your family and friends but also financial institutions is extremely important, because when you have access to unlimited funds, alright, unlimited is an exaggeration, but when you have access to a lot of funds that can help you improve the quality of your life, it's a great thing in my opinion. So I encourage you guys to go and work on building a good credit score, so this can actually bring about a positive change in your financial life. To summarize this video up, you should remember two things. The first is to use credit right and wisely, and if you do use it right and wisely, it will immensely help your financial future, help you build your wealth and also improve the quality of your life. And the second thing, and the most important thing, to remember that borrowing money isn't the answer to your financial problems. This will only lead to more debt, and you don't want to risk ending up in some terrible debt trap. And I suggest that you guys rethink the decisions you make with regards to debt and make sure that you use it to only build your life. And that's pretty much the end of this video. And if you've liked this video, please drop it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday.